Hi guys, today we will talk about how to delete your email on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. What you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just go down here, then you come here to personal details, and it's going to take you to next window here. You just click here on personal details, and you come here to contacts info. You will click, and here you come here to so your profile, your email, and you click here on delete email, and it's going to delete with you on your Messenger app. So that's all you have to do to delete your email on your Messenger app. You just click here and it's going to delete with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.